Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to introduce an element that many of you might not hear of or not be familiar with. Cesium. As you can see, the video's title is called See My CS, which is a meme related to creep score in League of Legends. And that is why I picked cesium, whose element symbol is CS. For this video, let us get started. First, I would like to talk about its unique properties. When it comes to physical properties, cesium is the softest solid metal, who has a hardness of 0.2 mas. It is very ductile and has a very low melting point, 28.5 C, and also a very low boiling point, 641 C. It burns with a blue or violet color. On the other hand, its chemical properties are similar to other alkali metals. Cesium is highly reactive and pyrophoric. It can react explosively with water at low temperatures. In fact, it is the most electropositive chemical element. Next, I am going to talk about some experiments related to cesium. To acquire pure samples of cesium without yielding gaseous products, cesium dichromate can be reacted with zirconium in vacuum applications. Just like other alkali elements, cesium reacts explosively with water. Its compounds burn with a blue or violet color. Following are its history and the development of production. The origin of cesium can date back to 1860. Robert Bunsen and Gustav Kirchhoff discovered cesium in mineral water. Why is it named cesium? That's because of blue lines from cesium in the emission spectrum. And they gave the name from a Latin word meaning bluish-gray. What's worth mentioning is that cesium was the first element to be discovered with a spectroscope. At first, to obtain pure samples of cesium, they utilized evaporation, fractional crystallization, and the difference in solubility to yield little amount of cesium from mineral water. Nowadays, cesium is extracted from pollucite primarily by three methods: acid digestion, alkaline decomposition, and direct reduction. Those three methods increase the efficiency of production. Now, I want to introduce some of common kinds of compounds formed with cesium and other elements. To begin with, cesium hydroxide is strongly basic. In fact, it has been previously regarded by chemists as the strongest Arrhenius base, reflecting the relatively weak attraction between the large Cs plus ion and O. Secondly, cesium fluoride, a hygroscopic white solid, can be utilized widely in chemistry as a source of fluoride anions. Finally, cesium chloride crystallizes in the simple cubic crystal system. Its structure is different from that of sodium chloride as the picture shows. The structure is preferred because Cs plus has an ionic radius of 174 pm and Cl 181 pm. Surprisingly, cesium has many applications in everyday life and professional fields. Atomic clocks measure the frequency of electromagnetic transitions of cesium accurately to set the standard of time. Cesium clocks are regarded as the most accurate realization of a unit that mankind has yet achieved. Also, it can be used in cesium format drilling fluids for the extractive oil industry. What's more, the high density of the cesium ion makes solutions useful in molecular biology for density gradient ultracentrifugal ion. Eventually, it can be utilized in chemical and medicine as well. Doping with cesium compounds enhances the effectiveness of several metal ion catalysts for chemical synthesis. Here is my references of information. I hope this video give you insight into cesium and that all of you like my video. Bye bye. Bye bye.